Fam, let's make plantain chips. You can see I have 3 unripe plantain. I'll peel it off, cut it, slice it thin to fry plantain chips. I'll cut one, slice it very thin if you can. Not very thin the way I want it, but that will do. So I'll add salt inside the water, soak it for 30 minutes. Then I'll come and throw the water away. I want the salt to go in the plantain. Then I cut this way. Be careful of your finger when you are using grater. This is how it looks. This is the one I grate. This is how it looks. I'll add all together. I'll grate this one as well. Here is the plantain. Finish cutting it. I'll add salt. You can as well add salt in the water first while you are cutting it. The salt is in the water already. So I will leave it in the salt water for 30 minutes, then I'll come back. I want the plantain to soak the salt, or the salt to go in the plantain. So I'll leave it for 30 minutes. The best way is to add salt in the water while you are cutting. It is time to drain this water. Drain water out of the plantain. The oil is on the fire. Let's start frying. I think it is warm already. Test it. Hey, this is my first batch. Guys, it's not only the good one I have to show. This is what happened. My first batch of plantain chips get burnt. I'll throw this away. All burnt. The first batch get burnt. I have to throw this one in the bin. Imagine, look at, I'll waste all this. Okay. Add another one. I have to lower the heat. It's too hot now. Oh dear. Here is the outcome of the plantain chips. It's very crunchy. Thank you for watching. I will see you in another video. Bye.